In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit content in a rich text module in HubSpot. If you manage emails or marketing content, knowing how to quickly update text is essential. And the good news is, it's very simple once you know where to look. First, log into your HubSpot account. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, go to the marketing section in the top navigation menu, then click on Email to open your email management area. You'll now see a list of your existing emails. Find the one you want to update and click Edit. This will open the email editor, where you can make changes to your layout and content. Inside the editor, locate the text area you want to modify. When you click directly on that text block, the rich text editor will activate. This is where you can update your content, whether you're fixing a typo, rewriting a sentence, or adding new information. At the top of the rich text editor, you'll see formatting options similar to a word processor. You can change font styles and sizes, bold or italicize text, add bullet points, insert links, and even include images. These tools help you structure your message clearly and make it more engaging for readers. After making your updates, always use the preview option. This allows you to see exactly how your email will look before it's sent. It's a quick way to catch formatting issues or mistakes. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Your updated content is now ready to go. And that's how you edit content in a rich text module in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.